Are you curious about CEOBuySell AI and what it can do for your business? In this review, we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about this brand new AI software that just hit the market. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether CEOBuySell AI is right for you. Stick around to the end because I'll also share how you can try it completely for free. First, let's talk about what CEOBuySell AI is all about. It's a cutting-edge software designed for entrepreneurs and business owners who are looking to streamline their buying and selling processes. Whether you're a buyer or seller, CEOBuySell AI uses advanced algorithms to help you find the right opportunities, analyze market trends, and make smarter decisions faster. It's built to save you time and reduce the complexity of transactions. Now, one of the biggest advantages of CEOBuySell AI is its ease of use. You don't need to be an expert in AI to take full advantage of it. The interface is intuitive and you'll find everything you need right at your fingertips. Even if you're new to AI, you'll feel comfortable using the platform from day one. What sets CEOBuySell AI apart from other tools is its ability to automatically match buyers and sellers. The AI continuously scans the market, analyzing hundreds of data points, including financial health, industry trends, and more. This means that instead of manually searching for opportunities, CEOBuySell AI does the heavy lifting for you, presenting the best matches based on your criteria. It's like having an AI assistant working around the clock to find the most lucrative deals for you. Another crucial feature is the real-time market insights. The software doesn't just rely on historical data, it pulls in live data to provide accurate, up-to-date insights. This is essential for making informed decisions, especially in a fast-paced market where conditions change rapidly. Whether you're buying a business or looking to sell, CEOBuySell AI gives you the competitive edge you need. When it comes to customization, CEOBuySell AI doesn't disappoint. You can adjust the platform's settings to tailor it to your specific needs. Set your parameters for what you're looking for in a buyer or a seller, and the software will only bring you results that fit your criteria. This level of customization ensures that you're never wasting time on irrelevant opportunities. What about security? With CEOBuySell AI, you can rest assured that your data is protected. The platform uses top-tier encryption to safeguard your sensitive information, so you don't have to worry about privacy concerns. The company behind the software takes security seriously, which is always a good sign when dealing with AI and business transactions. Now let's talk about pricing. CEOBuySell AI is accessible to entrepreneurs of all sizes. While it's packed with powerful features, it's designed to be affordable for small business owners and larger enterprises alike. There's even a free trial, so you can test out all the features without any risk. You can start using it today by clicking the first link in the description. Finally, after testing thousands of AI softwares, I can confidently say that CEOBuySell AI stands out because of its user-centric design, real-time insights, and powerful matching algorithms. If you're in the business of buying or selling, this is an AI tool you don't want to miss. For more AI tools that I recommend, check out the links in the description below. I've curated a list of the best options you can try for free, so don't miss out on these amazing opportunities to boost your business.